What's up, YouTube? 2015 Nissan Altima with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Customers complained of a misfire, and it had a cylinder 1 misfire detected, and I've isolated it as a bad coil. It's a very common problem on these, but when you do one, you need to do all 4, because if one went out, the other ones are probably pretty close behind it, especially if it has 100,000 miles or more. And if you do all 4 coils, make sure they're the same brand, because different coils have different waveform patterns, and if you start putting individual coils on there that are different brands, they might freak the computer out and cause it to have a false misfire code. So just from my experience, that's what I'm recommending. And you can buy 4 packs on Amazon, or you can buy them individually from the parts store. So probably Amazon would be cheaper. You just got to wait a couple days to get them. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to do this tune-up today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now you want to take a 10mm. Actually, there's a cover on top of this you're going to take off right here. I don't think I need to show you how to do that. It's got 3 10mm bolts. I took that off previous for diagnostic purposes. And let me grab my gun here. Get these coils out of our way so we can get to these plugs. Unplug them. Just push down that tab. Alright. I'm going counterclockwise without dropping bolts. Did that just happen? Move that out of the way so I can see down there. And that does happen. I saw it fall, so I know it's not. I feel it right there. I can feel it. Make sure you have a magnet handy, because you're bound to drop bolts when doing this. It happens. It's early, y'all, so give me a break. Come here, bolt. Alright. Now, let's try this again. Get out of there. These cars be trying to play with me, y'all. And just wiggle it, and if it comes out like that, just twist it back and forth. Because that happens too. We'll come back to that coil. Pull these out. And if that's not working, grab you some needle nose pliers. Of course, seems like this 1 cylinder is messing with me, so it's going to come out in pieces. Get out of there, fool. Alright, now we're going to grab a 14mm spark plug socket. Take out your old plug. Alright. Goes to the side. Now, these come pre-gapped. Do not try gapping these. You'll damage them. Just inspect them to make sure the it's not bent. They come with a protective sleeve over them, a little plastic sleeve out of the box. And these are Denzos, NGK or Denzo. Don't put no Bosch or anything cheap in your car, because you'll be redoing the tune-up. And these are iridium plugs, so they're good for at least 100,000 miles. Start them a couple turns. Now I'm going to run them down gently with my gun, so there'll be all the sensitivity issues. And if you're planning on making a comment, a negative comment, I've been doing this for 20 years, actually 25. I know what I'm doing. And if you want to be negative Nelly, just don't watch the video. I'm here to help people. I don't feel like hearing it. I'll take your ratchet, just when they stop turning, snug them a little more. Alright, take your nice little shiny coils here, Hitachi, made in Japan. I guess you can plug these in before you drop them down. And all these bolts are the same, so it doesn't matter. My fingers are cold, sorry y'all. I keep dropping stuff. It's like 20 degrees out right now. Go ahead and put that back on before I forget. Grab your little tin. Let's get all our crap out of the way here. I'll put that cover back on when I know it's fixed and running right. And if you don't know, let me show you. Just goes on like that. Just line it up with the holes, just in case. You can't handle that, you probably shouldn't be doing this tune-up. No offense. Alright, let's fire this bad boy up. Feels way better. Before it was like blah 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 because I had a completely dead coil, so I was only running on 3 cylinders. But anyway, sorry for the early morning technical difficulties. It happens, especially when I decide to do a video. It is what it is. But anyways, I'm going to end this video now. So y'all have a good day. Y'all please subscribe, check like. Have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.